This recipe is so delicious, I cook it almost every day. Start by cutting one small onion. Add a generous drizzle of olive oil. Then add all of those onion strips. Also, cut 2 medium potatoes. Add these potatoes to the onions. Sprinkle 1 teaspoon of salt. Then add a generous pinch of black pepper. Finally, a drizzle of olive oil. After that, slice 750 grams of chicken breast. Add 1 1/2 teaspoon of salt, black pepper to taste, and red chili to taste. Once you've done that, transfer this chicken to the baking tray with the potatoes and set it aside. To a medium bowl, add 2 whole eggs and 1 pack of table cream, 1 pinch of salt, 1 pinch of curry powder, 1/2 teaspoon of chimichurri. Now pour all this mixture into the baking tray, spreading it all over the chicken. Then sprinkle 150 grams of shredded mozzarella cheese. Place the tomatoes to finish it off. Take the baking tray back, and I'll also thank you for sharing this recipe. See you next recipe. Bye.